Now in this case we are having number of ones like one here, one here, and one here. Here is A bar, sorry, here is A, here is B, so it would be B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. Here it would be A bar and A. Now we have to do pairing. Okay, how can we do it pairing? We have to see which two ones are like side by side. You can see that these two ones are here like this, correct? And these two ones are also can be paired. So we are basically having two pair. This one is pair 1 and this one is pair 2. Okay, now some people like some students think that this one can also be paired. So the answer is no, this can't be paired because these one are already included in another pair. Remember, like I'm giving you an example. This is your class. Okay, one is the student here, one student is here. If they like sit side by side, then they can make a friend. Okay, and again one student is here, one student is here, they are also sitting side by side, this one this, then in that case they can make a pair. If there is one alone is here, okay, so you will think that we can make friend of this one also, then we can do it pairing. And in this case this one and this one already have a group, already have a friend, so we don't make this pair. Clear? Now you have to do naming. Tell me for the naming for pair 1 and for pair 2. Tell me the pairing. Which thing is common for pair 1? If you'll see from the right hand side, like A bar is the common. If you'll see from the up side, B is common or C is common? B is common. So C and C bar would be cancelled out. Okay. So this is the expression for the pair 1. Similarly, tell me the expression for the pair 2. If you'll see from the left side, what is common? A is common. Now from this, what is common? C is common, right? So its answer is C. So what is the final expression? Final answer for this is A bar B plus AC, as is it is in the SOP form. That's why. Understood?